Hey everybody. So we are going live and talking about, with the state on lockdown, what will happen to listings and open houses and showings in real estate. How is it that we are continuing to do business in real estate? Will we be able to continue to do real estate being on lockdown? So I want to share with you guys how that's going to happen. If you're a seller considering selling your home, you're probably wondering right now, or if you have a house that's listed, should you take it off the market? The coronavirus scare has everyone rightly, a little on edge and uneasy about people entering your home. These are the precautions that people are wanting to take, of course. So you want to be very careful who you allow in your home. And if you're listing it, anyone can enter your home. So how would you handle a situation like that? So we actually did receive information from the California Association of Realtors as well as the Sacramento Association of Realtors. Hey, Miss Shanisa. Hey, Jasmine. And so we have been instructed to stop doing open houses. We have been instructed to stop showing property. But let me tell you all one thing. Let me remind you and the real estate community. We have been for over a decade a career path or company or an institution, whatever you want to call it, that has been operating virtually for over a decade. Everything literally is done online. Real estate goes on. And so for those agents who are productive, for those agents who are inventive, and we are very, just like you, we're all resilient people. We will find a way to get those homes shown. In the meantime, we're doing virtual tours. We are going in, we're braving the rapids for you by coordinating with the seller, coordinating with the listing agent, making sure we've taken all the proper precautions, and going in and doing video. And this is something that we did for our clients anyway. Hi, Miss Rosa. We did this for our clients anyway, going into the property, especially if it's a client from the Bay Area or out of town and they can't get there. What do? You go in and you take the video, you walk through the house, post it up on your YouTube channel, send the client the link. Client loves the house, makes the offer. They get there for, the inspection period. So you still make the offer with the right to rescind it in the event you don't like the house. But if you do your due diligence as an agent in showing the property properly, whether it's a virtual tour or a video, then you'll get the gist of what the house feels like. So we can still get these transactions sold. We can still get your houses sold. Again, that's all done virtually. We were doing that anyway, right? Do I have other real estate agents on here watching this to confirm? We were already going into the houses doing virtual tours. We were already going into the houses and doing videos and sending them to our clients. So we just have to adjust to a new way of doing business, number one. So that's how agents are still getting your home sold. You do have two options though. If you are a seller and your house is on the market and you're wondering, what do I do right now? You can ask your agent to put your house in what's called a hold status. Because if a seller needs to sell, if you're a seller and you need to sell, coronavirus or not, you still need that house sold. But how do you get through this time while we're waiting for all of this to pass? Hey, Miss Josh, Angelina, hey, Michael. While you're waiting for this time to pass, you can ask your agent to place your house on a hold status. If you decide to put your listing on hold, the days on market counter stops and your listing will no longer be syndicated to third-party sites, IDX sites, and public portals. So people will stop being able to see your property. Just ask your listing agent to place your listing on hold. Hey, Miss Kaylin. And then there's a second status. If you're a seller and you're trying to get your home sold, you can ask your listing agent to put your property on active status. So those are the two statuses that you can ask your agent to place your property on. If you're a seller with your home currently on the market, ask your agent to either place it on hold or tell them to keep it in an active status. But in the comment section, tell them to connect with your agent and make arrangements on how you want the property to be shown. So that way you have more control over who comes in and out your home, and you make sure that you're abiding by the rules that the governor has laid out. And so as far as getting your home sold, again, it still is possible. Again, we'll do the what did I call them? Virtual tours, as well as videos where we just shoot the video, walk in the property, shoot the video, and upload the link to YouTube and send it to you as the consumer to take a look at the property. And so MLS is also allowing for us to put those links of the video and the virtual tours right in MLS as well. So if you're a seller and you're wanting your house sold, ask your agent to do a virtual tour for you. We have those done for our clients. Most often, we have a virtual tour, a drone contact who does those videos for us when we ask. And so we'll probably be asking him to do more of those videos for our sellers to get their homes sold during this time.